Okay, so this week's DMR is going to be focusing on prime factorization. So the first thing that we want to do is discuss what prime factorization is. I'm going to make my pen a little bit smaller. A prime number is a number with only factors of 1 and itself. So let's list those. 1 times 1, 2 times 2, or 2 times 1, 3 times 1. 4 can be 2 times 2, so it is not prime. 5 can only be 5 times 1. It only has 2 factors of 1 in itself. 6 has factors of 2 and 3, so 2 times 3, that is not. 7, 8 is 8 times 2, 9. We've covered these before, so I am going to start listing them so that we have them. Okay, and it does go on. There's more prime numbers. 23 is one. We can keep going, but that's where I'm going to go for now. So the first thing that I want to do is find the smallest prime number that goes into 16. So in this case, it is 2. So 2 is a prime number. I'm going to circle it because that means that part is done. 2 times 8. 8, I'm going to think, is it prime? It is not in my list over here. So therefore, it is not prime. So I'm going to break that down into a smaller 2 factors, and 2 is still possible. So 8 can be 2 times 4. Is 4 a prime number? I look again. I wish there was a way I could do that. I look over here, and there is no 4 is not listed as a prime number. So since 4 is not listed as a prime number, I cannot circle it. So I have to break it down again. I'm left with 2 times 2. And in this case, all of these numbers, I can't factor them down anymore. They are all prime numbers. So they are circled. So your answer will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is not finished because you need to now use exponents. That is the thing that we're working on as well. So you will need to write this as 2 to the 4th power. If you are typing, you will need to do 2. You will press 2. You will press 4. And then you will make it a subscript. Format, text, subscript. Big picture, you need to know that 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 means 2 to the 4th. Reflection, I know a prime number only has factors of 1 and itself. We're going to do the second part, which is down at the bottom. What fraction of the shape is shaded? So we need to understand that a fraction represents the relationship between a part and its whole. So the part is the numerator, and the whole is the denominator. Can't spell that, sorry. So the fraction of this shape that's shaded, the first thing that I need to figure out is how many parts are there in the whole? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means that I need to put 8 as the whole as the numerator. How many parts are shaded is 1, 2, 3. So the shape, the fraction of the shape that is shaded is 3/8. Reflection, I counted the number of parts that made the whole. This is the denominator. we'll write the other part of that tomorrow. So we're going to start with that part, see how it goes. Come back for tomorrow to check your answers.